And I'm in a freaking car seat. Who would have ever thought work would have got me there? You know why I'm in a car seat? Ink staining. Joy. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this, y'all. We can get how to get this ink out. Dye transfer cleaner. Leather cleaner. Nylon scuff pad. A little bit of elbow grease. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna put the, it's just me in the car, so I'm about to do this in stages. Take a little bit of the cleaner. All right, so we fully covered in the dye transfer cleaner. It's just super wet looking right now. You can still see the ink there. So I can get this thing back here where I can chill out in my seat. Very light, no pressure. No pressure. Let the dye transfer remover do the work. Little by little. Saving kids' lives since 2024. Flip it over, get just a touch more abrasion. Still not really any pressure. Like the kid licked the top of the seat. Maybe a little chicken fillet up there. Little chicken nuggets. How about it, y'all? How about it, y'all? Saving kids' lives since 2024. Well, that's just because this when the video came out. Look, you got ink? We got your solution. Dye transfer, little scuff pad, little leather cleaner never hurts nobody. And you see it work right in front of your eyes. So be good, be kind. See you in the next video.